Isang pinagpalang hapon po sa ating pong mga kapatid sa New Life Alabang. Ako po si Pastora Nelen Siat, lead pastor ng New Life Regal. Kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa araw na ito sa pagdating po ng ating pong mga teacher na galing po sa NLD, si Alabang. So ang New Life Real ay merong pong 60 to 70 active members. At mayroon pong 13 na pastor and leaders. Mayroon din pong 10 na workers at mayroon din pong mga volunteer workers. So sa ministry ay mayroon kaming children ministry, evangelism, couples ministry. At ganoon din po na mayroon po kaming mga discipleship training every Monday and Tuesday. At ito po ay pinapractice po namin. Nagkaroon kami ng house-to-house evangelism. Meron din kaming one-on-one evangelism. At yun din po yung desire namin na masaturate po namin ang buong barangay ng Kililoron. Na madala po namin ang salita ng Diyos sa bawat pamilya, sa bawat bahay. So, maraming salamat po at inaasahan po namin at excited na po kami sa darating na taon ng gagawin ng Panginoon na plano po natin na magkaroon po tayo ng evangelism dito po sa bayan ng Regal.
Hello, I'm Pastor Faith, together with Pastor Weathered, and we are from New Life Infanta. We are in our network church, and we are so happy. We're expecting what the Lord has installed for us here in Infanta Quezon, and we want to share it to you.
This mission trip means a lot to us, and also we are very excited to share the Word of God, of course, with the New Life family in Maine, Alabang. Thank you very much. It will also inspire our leaders. It will also inspire our volunteers and also will help the community to know God.
Yes, we're expecting a time of learning, partnership, and impartation, something that will really ignite the passion in your church.
Also to Pastor Paul and Pastor Shadi, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you very much, and we are very excited to see you here in Infanta. See you very soon. And also to the New Life family,
Whole team.
and the whole team, the volunteers, we are very thankful. We are excited to see you on March 21 to 25. God bless you. See you.